In this video we will see how to create a road section from a drawing in top view. Initially we are going to assign the properties to some objects in the drawing. In our case, we have two polylines drawn on the curb layer that represent two vectors in our section, corresponding to the low and high points of the curb. To these polylines we are going to assign two different behaviors. The line of the curb foot, with the same elevation with respect to the polyline that precedes it, and the one corresponding to the top of the curb, which has a slope of 20 centimeters with respect to the bottom of the curb. To carry out this definition, we execute the command assign properties to platform vectors and select the two polylines that are in the curb layer, in red. Next, we go on to assign the properties as we have discussed above. For the bottom of the curb, we do not apply any variation, and for the top of the curb we give a slope of 20 centimeters. Now, we move on to create the sections automatically from the existing information in the drawing. To do this, we run the convert platforms command from drawing and create a new file. We also select the project alignment graphically. We modify the value of the maximum distance with respect to the alignment and press the layers button to select those that contain the polylines that we want to consider for the generation of the section. Next, press the Options button and modify the horizontal and vertical tolerance data. Finally, we validate the windows, select all the visible entities of the drawing, and the process of generating sections from the drawing begin. The section file with the information of the platforms is automatically created. Next, we run the Define Sections command to check the result, where we can appreciate the definition of the curve. In the Slope tabs, we assign slope number 1 for both cut and fill slopes to the final station. We leave the rest of the data with its default values and the road section is defined. Finally, we are going to create the road segment file. To do this, we execute the define segment command and successively import the files of its elements, located in the project folder.